Hello, welcome to the space where we continue our tutorial on the coordinate geometry 1. This is episode number 3. After the tutorial on finding the length of a straight line, the magnitude of the straight line, the distance of the straight line, or the modulus, we want to pick a question to explain the concept we did in the beginning. So if P is the point 5 minus 2 and Q is a point minus 9 minus 2, we have to find the magnitude. I mentioned that this shows that the magnitude of the length PQ, or better still, the distance. All this explain all you are seeing in that description. Now we have to recall that we said to find the magnitude of PQ, we have the square root of x2 minus x1 all square, y2 minus y1 all square. That is the formula we derived from the beginning. So we are going to use this, where the x1, x2 has a meaning. Meaning if I have P as a point of 5 minus 2, Q as a point of negative 9, negative 2. To describe that, this is the first point, P. So that will be the first x point, first y point, second x point, second y point. That's how we identify the first x, the second x, the first y, and the second y. So fast forward, your magnitude of PQ will just be the square root of, you know, the x2 from here, definitely. That will be minus 9. Minus. Don't forget this minus is the one you're seeing here. Then we are going for x1. Where is the x1? x1 is 5. So the square of that plus y2. Where do we see y2? Okay. Negative 2, right? Is the y2 minus. This minus is coming. Then we have our y1, which is also going to be negative 2. See the way I've introduced the negative signs. You see, this is minus 2 in a bracket. So this bracket is enclosing all the terms. Minus, which is a negative in the formula. The negative 2 is also picked from here. Therefore, the bracket becomes double at the end, beginning double. All right. So let's continue to have the arithmetic. Minus 9 minus 5. That is going to be just taking it like minus 9 plus minus 5. That will give you minus 14. So I'll be having minus 14 all square plus, in the case of this is going to be negative negative to become positive. So minus 2 plus 2, that will give us 0. Let me indicate that and square. So already negative times negative give us a positive answer. So we're having 196 in the case of this plus 0. And you can see that 196 is a perfect square, and that will give us 14 units. The unit is there to show that if the distance is in kilometers, we'll have been given 14 kilometers. If it is in meters, 14 meters. Any other unit given to us will be assigned to the 14. And I'm sure the concept of finding the length when the points are given is clear. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.